Hey, this is Alex with Headway Apps. Today I want to tell you about our new feature in FileDrop, our drag and drop file manager for Google Sheets, Slides, and Docs. We just released this. It was a request from a customer, but maybe others will use it as well. So what it is, it lets you insert multiple links to files in the same cell. So let's get started. This is our upload area. We go here to settings and we select this option here, multiple links in cell. We go back. Let's add our files. I'm gonna add 4 files. The files are uploading now into my drive and they're gonna show up here in the Google Sheets cell. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here they are. Pretty simple and neat. I hope you like it. If you have any comments or any feedback, please leave it in the comments. Thank you.